Hey everyone! Welcome to Arts and Crafts with Tammy. Today we're going to turn an old desk into nightstands. First thing I did was clean it up, remove the drawers and all the hardware. Then for the fun part, we cut the desk in half with a circular saw. Then I tried removing the top with a sledgehammer. When the top didn't budge, I realized there were a few screws that I had missed. Learn from my mistake and take a second look to make sure you don't miss any screws because I could have easily ruined the top. So after removing them, I was able to take the top off and sand everything. Remember to check your sandpaper and always remove any excess buildup, otherwise you can get deep scratches on your project. After cutting in half, I pulled and removed the bottom part of the middle drawer as you can see in the picture. This left square holes in each of my soon-to-be nightstands. So we took some wood glue, mixed it with a little sawdust, and made a paste. Then we cut out a small piece of wood that is approximately the same size and put some wood glue on the small piece of wood and inserted it. Then we covered it with the paste mixture we just made and waited for it to dry so I can sand it. In the meantime, I took the top of the desk and cut it to the size I wanted and cut the trim off the edges. Then I sanded them a little so they weren't so sharp and had a little curve to the corners. Next, I put wood glue on the base and then put the top on. Then I used a countersink bit to make sure that the screws are inset a little and covered them with the sawdust paste. Alternatively, you can use spackle instead of sawdust paste. After doing these steps to both of the stands, the hard part was done. I was trying to decide on a paint color and found one I liked. But when I went to buy the paint, I happened to see an Oops paint that was extremely close to what I was looking for. So I bought the gallon of Oops paint instead for only $10. Bonus for me is that there was a rebate on the paint, which was for a $15 gift card. So I made $5 profit for buying the paint. The desk was free. The hardware was on clearance for $6. So this entire project only cost me $1. So here's my final project. I hope you like it.